There is one amendment by Dr. John Britas for reference of the registration of births and deaths amendment 2023 as passed by Lok Sabha to a select committee of the Rajya Sabha. Member may move the amendment at this stage without any speech. Dr. John Britas, you are moving the amendment.
I am moving, sir.
You are moving the amendment?
Moving.
Amendment moved. The motion for consideration of the bill and the amendment moved thereto are now open for discussion. I shall now call upon the members whose names have been received for participation for the discussion. Members. Srimati Sulata Dev. Srimati Sulata Dev, please.